In this video, I will show you how to create make.com AI personal assistant. So let's just begin. First of all, what you need to do is you're going to be heading over to your AI agents section on the left side. So this is basically used to create your assistants. So you can see we have a create agent option. We can choose an account. So you can see we need to create a connection. Click on that and you can provide the connection between your agent. So what you need to do is simply enter in here the name. Let's just say Sarah, and we have a model to select from. Let's just say we have GPT. We can choose a medium. So we have our system prompt. Let's just say you are an agent who helps navigate the e-commerce store based on tech, and then you can save it. Now we can see our assistant is ready. We can provide in here the context. So for that you can click on add, and by the way, you can get a huge discount. And actually, not only discount, you can get 1 month free on Pro plan if you simply use the link in the description below. So make sure to try that out. You can upload your context that is going to be helping your agent to learn more about your instructions. You can upload a MCP. These are the MCP servers and their tools that your agent can use to make decisions and complete tasks. So basically pretty much self-explanatory. Then you have system tools. These are the scenarios your agent can always access to make decisions and complete tasks. So you can utilize that. You can see now we can basically upload these and click on save, and once you do, our agent is going to be saved. So let's just say this is a personal assistant. You can use it in that way, or what you can do is simply utilize it for any different purpose as well. So this is the main key background to set it up, and I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching.